This MCQ explanation series is brought to you by Shomu's Biology. Your success, our mission. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to our Shomu's Biology channel to get more of these CSIR NET Life Science LSBT lectures for free.
Cell communication questions. 1. In RTK signaling, what is the role of autophosphorylated tyrosine residues? Decrease receptor affinity, activate G proteins, provide docking sites for SH2 domain containing proteins, induce receptor degradation. Answer. Provide docking sites for SH2 domain containing proteins. These phosphotyrosines recruit downstream signaling proteins such as GRB2 and PI3K via SH2 domains. 2. Which molecule functions as a GEF in the RAS signaling pathway? SOS, GAP, RAS itself, MAPK. Answer. SOS. SOS promotes GDP-GTP exchange on RAS, activating it and triggering the MAPK cascade. 3. The G's alpha subunit of GPCR stimulates which enzyme? Guanylyl cyclase phospholipase, C. Adenylyl cyclase, CGMP phosphodiesterase. Answer. Adenylyl cyclase. GISA activates adenylyl cyclase to increase CAMP and activate PK. 4. Which of the following correctly pairs a ligand with its nuclear receptor? Cortisol, Vo adrenergic receptor, estrogen. G protein coupled receptor, thyroid hormone, nuclear receptor, adrenaline, steroid receptor. Answer. Thyroid hormone, nuclear receptor. Thyroid hormones bind intracellular nuclear receptors that regulate transcription directly.
Are you enjoying these test questions? Then you can join our online mock test series from Shomu's Biology. Download the app now or contact the given number in the screen.
5. The Notch signaling pathway is primarily involved in which cellular process? Hormone secretion, cell fate determination via juxtacrine signaling, calcium homeostasis, second messenger production. Answer. Cell fate determination via juxtacrine signaling. Notch signaling requires direct cell-cell contact and is crucial during development. 6. In the JAK-START pathway, which component acts as the transcription factor? JAK, START, cytokine receptor, MAPK. Answer. STAT. Activated STATs dimerize and move into the nucleus to modulate gene expression. 7. Which event terminates signaling in a G protein coupled receptor pathway? Persistent binding of GTP to GR, reassociation of GR with VGAS subunits, phosphorylation of the receptor by receptor tyrosine kinase, increase in intracellular CAMP. Answer. Reassociation of GA with VG subunits, GTP hydrolysis inactivates GA, allowing it to rejoin the VG dimer and terminate signaling.
Hello future scientists and life science warriors. Are you preparing for the CSIR NET Life Science exam and feeling overwhelmed with what to study, how to practice, and where to start? Well, it's time to level up your preparation with the most loved online coaching platform, Shomu's Biology. Join thousands of successful aspirants who trust Shomu's Biology for expert-led guidance, crystal clear concept explanations, and strategic preparation. From unit-wise mastery to exam-targeted practice, we've got everything you need under one roof. Want daily practice questions like the one you just saw? Get our daily CSIR NET practice page exclusively on the Shomu's Biology app. Just download it from the Google Play Store and start your practice today. Need more support? We offer online test series, live online coaching, study materials shipped to your door. Just call us at 9804654228 and we'll get you started on the right path. This is more than just preparation. This is your launchpad to a career in science. So don't wait. Join Shomu's Biology and let's crack CSIR NET Life Science together.